Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. Hopefully everybody's peachy keen. We have lots to talk about, guys. Is this bad? Is this good for crypto? We're going to talk about what I think is going to be happening to crypto and crypto space right now. And we're seeing that, there's a lot of things happening right now in the crypto space that have a lot of people worried about what's going on. We got the geopolitical stuff going on. But I'm going to show you some more clear evidence that even though there's a lot of negativity, there's more fear in the market, I still believe that we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going to be going uppity up. And there's some huge data out there that's pointing to these facts, but it doesn't feel like it right now. It feels pretty negative. Dogecoin is well below its support level, and a lot of people think that Doge is over and Doge is going to be going down, down. So remember, volatility is the name of the game. This is crypto, guys, and we got the alien in the house, guys. I know you guys love the alien. We're back, and it looks like we're still seeing a bit of a Debbie Downer day here in crypto land. And if you're one of these plant people that like to stay under rocks and just be Debbie Downers and be vitriolic in the comments, no need to be a plant person. Go back under your rock, guys. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You guys all know that. So let's jump into content without any further delay. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house. So let's get it, guys. It's absolutely a huge time to be alive. So we saw that the U.S. markets on Friday did a hold huge tankety tank, and that happened to do with all this Ukraine-Russia thing that's happening. So who knows what's going to happen. We'll just have to wait and see how that pans out, guys. But overall, I wouldn't worry about it too much in the house, guys. I'm feeling pretty bullish about that. We're seeing right now, if we take a look at the heat map, we're seeing that overall the crypto markets are down, down. But they're down ever so slightly right now. We're seeing that we could be seeing a reversal or a comeback coming pretty soon. It's Sunday here in Vietnam, in Asia. So it is going to be Sunday morning in the U.S. and it's probably Sunday afternoon in Europe, guys. So hopefully we can see the market start to make some positive turns soon. But keep in mind, guys, absolutely keep in mind, we got the Super Bowl weekend. So more people have been watching the Super Bowl than they are going to be watching crypto, guys. So that's just a fact of life. And we're seeing right now the fear and greed index is not too shabby. We're at 44, which is a lot better than where we were last week when we were still at fear at 37. I remember last month we were at 21, guys, extreme fear. So in terms of that, the social sentiment and the sentiment for crypto is going up, guys. So overall, it's not too bad in the house. Let's jump into Bitcoin on the weekly right now. We're seeing the Bitcoin on the weekly is at $42,349. We got 13 hours left on the Bitcoin weekly chart. We're still in the red zone, but this could flip green. If we suddenly get a huge pump to the upside, this could flip green, and we need to be over around about 42,500 in the house to turn this candle green. So hopefully we can get a green candle. I love to see a green candle. You'd love to see a green candle, and the alien would love to see a green candle. Yeah, we definitely want to see a green candle in the house. And Bitcoin is still above our huge support level right here. So this is still acting as huge horizontal support. That is pretty good news in the house. So right now we can see that Bitcoin on the 2-hour chart, we've gone all the way to the top. This is where we had this bad news on the 11th of February. We come all the way down, and we're just kind of trading sideways right now. Also, we had Jeremy Powell, who did indicate that there's going to be an emergency meeting with the Federal Reserve, and that's most likely we could see an announcement on Monday with some rate hike. So if that happens, guys, we're going to see the markets probably go down a little bit. But I think that the rate hike is already baked in. So even if we do get an announcement earlier than March that we're going to get a rate hike, this won't have much impact on the crypto market. So some big announcements that are coming out this Wednesday. There's nothing really much happening. Monday, nothing happening. The next big announcement is going to be Tuesday. Producer price index, nothing really big. But we do have some retail sales that are coming out on Wednesday the 16th. We do have retail sales excluding autos, import price index, industrial production, and that. So, and we also have the home builders index as well. So let's see how these pans out. And then don't forget, on Thursday we got the jobless claims reports. This is a big report. This could have some impact on the crypto markets and on the broader market. So Wednesday is really the big announcement, which is going to be the jobless claims report. So there might even be a rate hike before that. I don't know. Let's see what happens if we can see a Fed rate hike coming out soon, guys. So right now we're seeing that if you look at the total amount of Bitcoin on exchanges, we're still seeing the Bitcoin balance on exchanges currently at 13%. But I have updated data that this is actually 11% right now. We're going to jump into that. So you guys have to know that the whales are still accumulating a Bitcoin at the expense of the retail investors who are wetting the bed, who are running for the hills, guys, because all of this geopolitical negative news in the house is really causing people to be very negative. And this negative FUD is having the absolute reaction that the whales want, and they want you out there to drop your Bitcoin and drop your altcoins right now. And we're seeing more movement. We're seeing a big sell-off in altcoins right now because people feel a little bit skittish about altcoins, and they believe that Bitcoin is a lot more stable and a lot more secure right now. So we are seeing a short-term sell-off in terms of the altcoins from the retail investors. I mean, investors like me who have diamond hands, we don't mind. There's going to be volatility. I'm still pretty bullish on Biddy, my Shiba Inu, and also on my Dogecoin, and I think we're going to see all-time highs coming in this summer, guys. So it's okay, guys. Don't panic out there. Right now, we're seeing that the Bitcoin network hash rate explodes to an all-time high, and we just saw that the Bitcoin hash rate has gone up to 248 ectohashes right now. And typically with Bitcoin price will often follow the hash rate. So there's absolutely no chance of the miners capitulating right now. There's no chance of the miners absolutely selling. We're also seeing that the U.S. Treasury Secretary has just sent a memo to redefine that the miners and stakers are not considered brokers under the new regulation, and they won't have to pay tax or report taxes. So that is good news for them. So we're seeing that the total right now, we're seeing that the total the ectohashes is going up, and this is all-time high. It's a record. And as I said, often the mining hash rate and the Bitcoin price is often very much correlated. So that is good news from that perspective. So hopefully we'll see some price pumpage. As well. So that is very good. So we're also seeing that if we look at the overall share right now, we're seeing that it looks like America and Kazakhstan have the greatest amount of mining capacity out there right now. So that is looking pretty good. So in terms of currently miners residing in U.S. states contribute the highest in terms of the global hash rate of Bitcoin, and that's followed by Kazakhstan and other countries. So I still believe that we're going to see Bitcoin going up, guys. The miners hash rate tells us that the amount of Bitcoin that's being held on exchanges, held off exchanges, also tells us that. So Bitcoin's exchange supply hits 3-year low. BTC crowd sentiment turns positive. Here's more news that just goes to point that we're seeing for Bitcoin's ratio of supply on exchanges has fallen below 11% since the first time since 2018. And this is bearish. This is absolutely bullish, guys. More and more Bitcoin is becoming unavailable on exchanges, and that is making Bitcoin a more scarce commodity. And at some point, the price is going to have to give, and it's only going to give in one direction. That's going to be going up. And that's why I still think that we could see a $200,000 Bitcoin coming in. We're seeing that trading crowd has been euphoric for the past week prior to Bitcoin's local top. The rally can continue if fear kicks in. So even if we get some fear kicking in, which we are seeing right now, we could still see that the Bitcoin price is going to go up, guys. And sure, we're seeing a little bit of geopolitical anxiety out there, but I think overall we're going to see a reversal coming for the Biddy and crypto markets coming soon, guys. Another big story that's coming in, PwC reported that crypto merger deals skyrocketed by 5,000% in 2021. So this is huge, guys. We're still seeing that the crypto space is expanding, it's growing, and more institutions are aping in like crazy, and we're seeing more mega deals and mergers happening. And if we compare that to 2020, we can see that the total value of the average deal size was about 179 million compared to last year at 52.7 million. So we're seeing that almost $55 billion worth of deals have been completed, and that's about 393 deals were done in 2021. So this just is more evidence out there that crypto is here to stay, and we're seeing that this market is absolutely huge in the house, guys. So I'm feeling pretty bullish and pretty positive out there when it comes to crypto and cryptocurrency overall. So this is a comparison of the Russia-Georgia crisis in 2008, and we saw that after we had this whole crisis come out, we saw that the Nasdaq had a parabolic run to the upside. So I know a lot of you guys are viewed on the macro scale. The fear of war in 2008 is like today, but the money market is under pressure, and after a while, it was in a parabolic upward phase. So we might be seeing that once all the negative news washes out, I don't think anything's really going to happen. We could absolutely be seeing that Bitcoin could go parabolic from here, and that would take us to all-time highs absolutely in the summer, in the springtime. Also, it looks like Canada is set to become the crypto powerhouse with the introduction of a new crypto bill. So it looks like Canada has introducing this bill 249 has passed its first reading and hopes to encourage crypto growth in Canada. So Canada looks like, the Canucks out there, looks like that Canada is becoming a crypto-friendly country, and that they don't want to block innovation with having too much over-regulation. And they're seeing, and they want the market participants have received the bill positively and recognize its potential to make Canada industry leader. So it looks like blockchain could be developing more rapidly in Canada than the U.S. And this is good. This is good because Canada could become the biggest North American crypto haven out there. So that is cool news. So globally, regulations are on the rise, and we've seen that Canada, we've seen that the U.S. and Europe have increased their regulatory framework for crypto. We're seeing that the UK, the banks of England are also thinking that crypto is not good, and they're creating more regulations. But it looks like Canada is awakening to the fact that crypto is here to stay, and this is going to have a huge impact for the crypto space in Canada. So this is good news, guys. So hopefully we get some regression on the taxes out there. So let's take a look at the Doji Wosher in the house. So we still have this cup and handle pattern that's formed. I don't think it's been invalidated yet. We're seeing that the Doge right now is at 14.89 and is just below my 15-cent resistance level right now. So that needs to be turning red. So it's exactly almost at 15 cents right now. So I don't think that the cup and handle pattern has been invalidated. We could still see that even though Dogecoin is cooling off a little bit, we could still see an upside, a bullish upside to 20 cents. So I'm thinking that this gets a green alien thumbs up for me. I still think this pattern is still in play, guys. I still think this cup and handle pattern is still in play. So you guys should love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. So this coming out for Dogecoin right now, we're seeing that Doge has followed its overall decline of the market, down by 6.71%. And we're seeing right now that it's dipped down below 15 cents. That was some huge support level before, but now it's becoming resistance level. I wouldn't worry about it. I still believe that this cup and handle pattern is still very much in play, guys. What do you guys think? Smash the likes, comment. Do you think this cup and handle is still in play, or has it been invalidated and we're going to go down, down? I think we're going to get a very surprising reversal coming in soon, probably on Monday. Well, let's see if the Fed does announce a rate hike. Let's see what happens. I still think overall we're going to be very bullish for Dogecoin. I still think that we could be seeing 50 cents to $1 coming in probably in the springtime, guys. Let's see what happens if Bitcoin can get 150 $200,000 coming in. 50 cents to $1 for Doge is not unrealistic in the house, guys. So remember, volatility is the name of the game. This is crypto, guys, and if you can't stand the volatility, get out of the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen. Have diamond hands, guys. Absolutely have diamond hands. Stop wetting the bed. Stop being weak Nancy's out there. Let's take a look at Shiba Weeby right now. So Shiba Weeby has broken out the apex of this descending triangle. This is bullish, guys. It's absolutely bullish. We see that we have a buy signal here, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 count. This could turn into a 5th count, and that could signal that we're breaking out this descending triangle. And our next level of support of resistance is going to be about 35. So then overall, not looking too bad. We could see that this we could get a 5-wave count to the upside. Let's see how this pans out. Right now, it's just gingerly, it's flashing red and green. So we just need to take this higher and higher in the house, guys. So this could give a alien green thumbs up as well. So let's jump into Ethereum price right now. So Ethereum is just going sideways today. It's waiting for Bitcoin to make some moves, or 29.47. I think we should be able to get past $3,000 once America does open up. But remember, we got Super Bowl happening, so you're going to find that the volumes are going to be pretty light. And this is Phantom in the house. Phantom is finding some huge support around this level here, 192, and you can see that overall Phantom has touched these supports. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Has touched these support and been supported once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So we see some huge support at the 192 level, and this is pretty good. This is pretty good vibes in the house, because if you're getting supported time and time again, that should indicate we're getting a bounce to the upside. And you can see that Phantom has broken out the apex of this descending triangle and is trying to make a move to the upside. So hopefully keep on keeping on. This should look good. We're seeing that Solana right now is also just going sideways. It has been it's being supported at the $95 level, and we did hit the 95, and we had support once, twice here. So it's looking pretty good. It's going sideways. So hopefully this will turn green, and then we'll get a bounce to the upside. So with that being said, guys, let's jump into the markets and let's take a look at the total market cap. Market cap is up from my previous video from 192 to 193, so that's good. The volumes are really light though. Most of America's, it's a Sunday, guys. Don't expect too much. We're seeing the Bitcoin dollars as 41.65. That's why most of the altcoins are bleeding out like crazy right now. People have a little bit more confidence in the biddy, so people are basically selling some of their altcoins, moving it into Bitcoin. We're seeing that Bitcoin's at 42,417. It's almost neutral right now, so this could flip bearish or bullish depending on the how the American sentiment is when it opens up. We're seeing that Ethereum is also down as well slightly. It's at 29.16. We're seeing that BNB is at 400. That's not a bad place to be for BNB. It's almost neutral right now. We're seeing ADA is down 1.5%, and it's at 106. We're seeing Solana is just turned green, so hopefully we'll get some momentum going to the upside. Luna is up 2.7%, so that's pretty good for Luna holders. And Dogecoin Analysis is up 3.5%, so that's not bad from where we had our first video this morning around about 6 hours ago. So that's not bad. Avalanche is also trying to make a move to the green side. Go to the green side, guys, so that is looking pretty good. Shiba Inu is up 1.44%, and it's at 2.9 in the house. Matic is down 0.5%. So overall, it looks mixed right now, and we could get a turnaround. We absolutely get a turnaround to the upside, guys. So hopefully that'll be good. You like the new hairdo, guys? I got a new hairdo. Went to the barber, got a haircut. So I'm styling, the OG styling, guys. Oh, the OG styling, guys. So please do me a favor, guys. Go and follow me on my Twitter. We're gonna hit about 4,000 followers anytime soon, guys. So go get it. Get down there. Get it. You want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and as always, give us a super chat, guys. What are you guys waiting for? And show some love in the house. Do not forget that this video is absolutely not financial advice. It's right there. Go down and check the links below. Become a Patreon member, guys. Buy the channel a coffee. Would appreciate it. Check out the merch, guys. Also, guys, check out OpenSea.io. You're gonna love it. I love it. And OpenSea.io. Go check out the NFT collection. I love the Sushi Man, guys. Go and do it. Don't forget to go and check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel right now. 975 subscribers up and over there. Hit it. And some of the best relaxing music on the interwebs right here, right now. Check out the Wi-Fi Wifey channel. And as always, the big must in the house is get the mug, get the cup of love, guys. Get the backpack, get the pillow willows. And we got hoodies, we got singlets, we got all sorts of stuff. We got aprons, guys. We got the baseball cap. And so look cool, styling with the OG gear. Merch up, guys. Get cool, be cool. Yeah, let's get it, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you in the house, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So hopefully we'll see some greenage coming on this evening, Vietnam time, or early morning US time, or late afternoon European time. So I'm feeling pretty bullish. I think it's going to be an alien green day, guys. So maybe it's time to we need to get the green dino. The green dino's back as well. So green dino's back, guys. Yeah, green dino. So can we make this, can we get the market to pump? Yeah. The green dino says we're going to see some market pumpage, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Be well, be blessed. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo!